Imagine this as a simple movement that could transform your posture, strengthen your core, improve digestion, and even boost your overall flexibility. Sounds like a fitness miracle, right? Well, it's not. It's the resting squat, a pose as old as humanity itself. Today, we'll uncover why this ancient posture is making a comeback and how it can completely transform your body. Ready? Let's dive in. Let's face it, modern life has us stuck in chairs. Whether it's working at a desk, binge watching the latest series, or endlessly scrolling social media, we spend hours on end in a seated position. But here's the catch: this 90-degree angle our bodies are forced into isn't natural, and it's doing some serious damage. When you sit, your glutes, the powerhouse muscles of your lower body, go dormant. They're not engaged, which means they lose strength over time. And it doesn't stop there. Your abs also take a break, leading to weaker core muscles and a softer midsection. Heightened hip flexors reduce mobility, putting you at risk of back pain and injury. And let's talk about your back. Poor posture from prolonged sitting strains your spine, causing discomfort and even chronic issues. But wait, there's more. Even your digestive health takes a hit. Historically, humans squatted to take care of business, which is a more natural position for the digestive system. Sitting in chairs disrupts this alignment, leading to incomplete bowel movements and other digestive troubles. It's no wonder many of us feel stiff, constipated, and just plain uncomfortable. But don't worry, the solution isn't about throwing out your chair, it's about rediscovering an ancient movement that our bodies are already designed to do. Enter the resting squat. Picture a toddler playing. They instinctively squat with perfect form. This deep crouch is how humans have naturally rested for centuries. It's a position for working, socializing, cooking, and yes, even bathroom needs. Somewhere along the way, modern conveniences replaced this posture with chairs and couches, but our bodies haven't forgotten the benefits. When you squat, you lengthen and stretch tight hip flexors that shorten from sitting. This improves hip mobility and reduces the risk of back pain. Unlike sitting in a chair, squatting aligns your spine naturally, relieving strain on your lower back. It's like giving your back a much-needed vacation. In a resting squat, your abs engage to stabilize your body. It's a subtle workout for your core, helping improve posture and stability over time. Squatting engages and stretches your pelvic floor muscles, essential for overall health. Strong pelvic floor muscles improve bladder control, digestion, and even sexual health. Here's where it gets interesting. When you squat, a muscle called the puborectalis relaxes. Think of it like a garden hose that unbends, allowing everything to flow smoothly. This alignment is key for more effective and comfortable bowel movements. Resting squats promote flexibility and strength in your ankles, knees, and hips. This trifecta of joint mobility is essential for everyday movements like walking, running, and even climbing stairs. The resting squat is like hitting the reset button on your body. It counteracts the stiffness and weakness caused by our seated lifestyles, making movement feel natural and effortless again. Okay, so what if the resting squat feels too challenging? Don't worry, you're not alone. Modern life has made this posture difficult for many of us. The good news is, you can still achieve similar benefits with alternative exercises. Incorporate hip openers, hamstring stretches, and lower back stretches into your routine. These moves loosen tight muscles and prepare your body for better mobility. Strengthen your glutes, quads, and core with exercises like lunges, bridges, and planks. These muscles play a crucial role in improving posture, digestion, and pelvic floor health. Swap your chair for a stability ball or standing desk. These encourage micro movements throughout the day, keeping your muscles engaged and your joints flexible. Practice exercises specifically for your ankles, knees, and hips to maintain their range of motion and flexibility. Think of it as preventative maintenance for your joints. The key is consistency. Whether you're squatting or opting for these alternatives, your body thrives on regular movement. Ready to try the resting squat? Start slow. Aim for just a few minutes a day and break it into smaller intervals if needed. Here's how you can ease into it. Use a wall or chair for balance if you're a beginner. Keep your feet flat on the ground and your heels down. Gradually increase the time as your flexibility and strength improve. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. The resting squat is as much about consistency as it is about form. Even a little time each day can make a big difference. Remember, the goal isn't to force it. Listen to your body, take breaks as needed, and enjoy the process of rediscovering this natural movement. Over time, the benefits of the resting squat will ripple through your daily life. From better posture to improved digestion and increased mobility, this one pose can truly transform your body. And the best part, it's free, simple, and accessible to almost everyone. So, are you ready to squat your way to a healthier, stronger, more mobile body? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with anyone who could use a little extra mobility in their life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.